My life is a mess, and I don't know where to start, but I think cleaning my desk is a good jumping off point. And I think my workspace tends to be a reflection of my mind, which is currently a disaster zone. And I hope by getting it clean today, have some sort of clarity open up in my mind. And I'm sure it won't be a lot, but I think having a clean workspace allows me to work better. There is so much just shit on this desk. I'm talking, there's peppercorns from pizza, random stickers I don't care about, old notes, tags from clothing, papers I no longer need, receipts. There's a butter knife on my desk right now. Every day when I use this desk, I kind of just push what I don't need away, try to give me just a little bit of space, and I make do. And it's been like that for 4 months, and I need to get on my shit, and we're whipping this desk into shape. And I think the first step is just getting everything off the desk and putting it on my table. And whatever doesn't belong on the desk anymore, find it at home or throw it away. This is everything off of my desk. Holy shit, it's so much it couldn't even fit on my coffee table. What the fuck? Now I'm trying to figure out if I should rearrange, possibly, like remove the speakers, take off the PlayStation, the thermal printer, and maybe look at moving everything around. Like, you know, the whole new setup, new mindset type of dealio situation. Maybe I'm gonna measure it right now, actually, see if it could possibly go from this wall to this wall. I don't know if it's enough space, but if it is, it could be a nice change of pace for how my desk has been for the past year. I think I'm going to move the desk. However, I might also need to move the bed. The desk fit perfectly right where I wanted it to. I thought that the bed and desk would be touching, and they are not, which I'm super thankful for, which means the bed does not need to move. I forgot to film, but I just took off all the glass panels, Windex both sides of them, and put it back on. Just because I don't know the next time that I'm going to take everything off my desk and be able to get it this clean. So I figured do the whole thing, wipe down the baseboards, vacuum the floor, all yada yada, everything, all the cleaning around there, because who knows if this will even ever move from until I leave the country, you know what I mean? 6:22. I still have a long way to go, but I made protein pancakes. I'm just hungry as fuck. I didn't eat a proper breakfast or lunch today for real. So we're taking a break. Throw some YouTube on. Bada boom, bada bing. As you can see behind me, the table is clear. Honestly, this project feels so daunting. I hate organizing my life, especially when it feels so disorganized. Earl Grey tea. Currently getting all the cords plugged in so that my monitor and PlayStation and computer, it's all fucking working again. But we basically did it. There is some more shit back there. I think you can kind of see it, like that little area. That's all craft stuff, and I have a box for craft stuff in my closet. However, I don't feel like opening, and it's at the bottom bin in my closet. That's like a lot of work right now, and maybe I'll get to that in like an hour. But also, I'm not doing cable management. There was one time, twice, when setting up a desk that I dealt with proper cable management. That shit was hell. And then when I was ready to move the setup, it was so horrible to like get rid of all the cable, like the little pieces that held it together. Fuck that. So my cables are a mess. I don't care. No one comes to my fucking house. All right, this is the clean desk setup. PlayStation got moved to the floor down here just to save space from actual desktop. All the bullshit is gone. I did take the speakers off. They're currently just sitting right here. Debating selling them because I rarely use them in this new place. Anime girls still appear. I did change some around, but still what that shelf is. Just office supplies, pens, pencils, headphones, camera stuff, and then mainly empty now. My toolbox over here. I have my markers and microphone. Move the CD player table into this corner so it didn't feel so empty. CDs are on the floor now versus on top of there. But yeah, this is the setup. Very happy to have got this done today. I don't know yet how I want this channel to grow or look moving forward. I just know I told myself I was going to get a video out today, and the initial plan was to make a t-shirt. The universe gave me a downpour of a rain day, and I could have either not made a shirt and not made a video, or make a video and just get to the shirt this weekend. So that's my plan. Friday before work, I'm going to go to the fabric shop, drop that off home, and then Saturday or Sunday morning before work. Oh, I don't work Sunday. I think maybe Sunday before my tattoo appointment, I will make the shirt. Again, and the shirt is probably going to suck. It's not going to be a how-to make a shirt video. It's just I'm making a fucking shirt. I'd like to say, if you're here, I appreciate you. If you watch any amount of this video, a minute or the full, 8-10 minutes that this ends up being, thank you for the support. It means the world. I fuck with y'all. Bye.